Hello, this is Itsu. Okay, I resurrected my kacher grenade setup with the push-pull choke in between and the antenna around the grenade inductor. I have nothing connected to the inductor nor the grenade, so the wires are just loose. This is just about the signal being shown by this pickup probe here, the blue probe, laying against the top of the kacher. And I have here the link between the top of the kacher and the wire going to the choke going to the antenna. So at the moment that is not connected. By just tilting and turning the kacher a little bit, I can make the connection there, and this will show the subtle change with or without the kacher connected. I have to make sure if I have everything connected there. So I'm using the 3-FET module, the module 3, with the transistor, and I have a Schottky diode here in the emitter return line, which you can show here, where I can show here. I do not use a ground other than the probe grounds, but the blue probe of course is not connected. I monitor the yellow, the base signal with the yellow probe. And I am using 12 volt both from for the collector primary from this battery, as from feeding the logic with another 12 volt battery. So we have very low signals. And here we can see the yellow is the base signal on the transistor, and blue is the kacher RF being picked up by the blue probe. And I now can turn just a few millimeters to make the contact with the choke and the antenna, and this is the result. Okay, now it's making contact. Now disconnecting again, connecting again, okay, connecting again, disconnecting, connecting. So we see a more load on this this kacher because of the antenna and the choke, which is normal, I guess. But do not see the small signal like the one Nick shows in his video, where the ring down is almost completely gone. This is not the case here. I'm trying to see if I can find the resonance frequency of this kacher. It says 2.9 megahertz, but I think it's rather high. I'm not sure why. Anyway, when I make the connection now, I hope to see some difference in frequency. Okay. So it goes now to 1.4, which is more the frequency I think it should be. Disconnecting. Let me get some cursors on to see if this is the real frequency. Putting on two adjacent tops. Sorry, somewhat there. So I've put it on 2 tops. Okay, if I change my hand it changes also the frequency. But you can see the delta is 2.7, so we have really a frequency of around 2.9 like it shows here. And if I make the connection, then you can see it drops down to the 1.4 megahertz. So activating the choke and the antenna makes a big difference in the frequency, but it really does not make a big difference in the ring down, because it still has a lot of ring down like now, and not the nice stopping after a few milliseconds or whatever, which Nick shows. So there's something more in this game than shown on this simple picture with this setup with the 3 FET system. I think there was another circuit involved there. Okay, thank you for watching.